Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to chat reply to start a new thread conversation on your Snapchat app. With chat replies, you can respond to individual messages in an ongoing chat to help you keep conversation on track and communicate the context. This is a new feature within Snapchat, so first make sure you update your Snapchat by going into the App Store. Once you have updated it, open up your Snapchat app. Now tap on the chat tab at the bottom. Select a contact where you want to start a conversation on a chat reply. Long press on a message which you want to reply to, then tap on chat reply. Now the message will be highlighted and below that you can type in your reply. Press send once complete. Once sent, you'll see the person's chat and your reply to it. And that is how to chat reply to start a new thread conversation on Snapchat. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.